Is your sprint review just a boring demo? If so, you're missing the point. The sprint review is the event where the Scrum team and stakeholders collaborate to inspect the increment and, most importantly, redefine what comes next. It's the highest value feedback loop in Scrum. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn why this is the most critical event for maximizing product value. Let's jump in. Rule number 1, the sprint review is strictly time-boxed to 4 hours or less for a 1-month sprint. For a 2-week sprint, you're aiming for about 2 hours. This time limit ensures focus. Who must attend? All members of the Scrum team must be present. Who is invited? The stakeholders, anyone with an interest in the product's outcome, from sales and marketing to executive leadership and compliance. This meeting is about collaboration, not presentation. The core artifact inspected is the increment, the sum of all the product backlog items completed during the sprint and all previous sprints. Every item shown must meet the definition of done. If it doesn't meet the DoD, it cannot be shown as part of the increment. The developers demonstrate the work. This is crucial. The demonstration should be a hands-on demo of the working product, not a slide deck. This event is the product owner's primary checkpoint on the long-term vision. They use the demonstrated increment and stakeholder feedback to inspect progress toward the product goal. Furthermore, the Scrum team gets a better shared understanding of what success actually looks like for the stakeholders. The product owner needs to clearly answer, is our product goal still the right long-term target? Do market changes mean we need to pivot the entire product strategy? The sprint review is the moment where we confirm that the value hypothesis for the product is still valid. Progress. What did the team achieve against the sprint goal? If work was not completed, the developers discuss the impediments encountered and how they impacted the increment. Once the increment is demonstrated, the collaboration begins. The team and stakeholders discuss 4 key points. What is the state of the product goal? Market check. The product owner discusses the current market, budget, and potential timelines. Feedback. Stakeholders provide direct, specific feedback on the demonstrated increment. This feedback is gold. It confirms or denies the value the product owner hypothesized at the start of the sprint. This is the most important part. Adaptation. Based on the feedback, the product backlog is adapted. The product owner leads this, updating priority, adding new items, or deleting obsolete ones. Next, the whole group. Scrum team and stakeholders collaboratively review the updated product backlog and forecast the likely items for the next few sprints. This is not a commitment, but a collaborative forecast that manages stakeholder expectations and keeps the plan transparent. What is the Scrum Master doing? They are facilitating the collaboration. The Scrum Master coaches the product owner to clearly articulate market risks, and they coach the stakeholders on providing valuable, constructive feedback, not just criticism. Crucially, the Scrum Master ensures the event remains time-boxed and the focus stays on the increment and the future, preventing participants from reverting to old habits. Be careful. Many teams turn this event into a failure by falling into these anti-patterns. The status report only presenting slides. You must demo working software. The test gate, using the review as the first time stakeholders see the work. The command and control, where stakeholders tell the PO what to do. The PO maintains final authority over the product backlog. Poor attendance. If key stakeholders consistently skip the review, the team loses the most valuable feedback and is forced to build the next increment based on old, stale assumptions. The sprint review is your collaborative checkpoint. It ensures your team isn't building the wrong thing beautifully. It's where you apply transparency and inspection to directly inform your adaptation of the product. Master the art of collaborating with your stakeholders to maximize the value of your next increment. Now you know how to run a powerful sprint review. If you want to dive deeper into the product backlog you just adapted, or see more fast fundamentals, hit that like button and subscribe now. Thanks for watching.